Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome if you're new. So in today's video we're going to do some cleaning. I'm also going to be fixing some shrimp po' boys today, and I am letting y'all know how good this cake was. So let's go ahead and get straight into this after dark clean and cook with me. So for the shrimp po' boys you're going to need some fried shrimp. We're using the C-Pack one. And then I'm also going to heat up some french fries. These are the famous Amos ones from the rallies. And then I'm going to heat them up. I just follow the directions on the back. And then in my air fryer, I'm going to be doing the shrimp in here. And it does not take long at all. So I just used about half the bag for the two of us, which was just the amount we needed. And while that's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and start doing these dishes. They have been in my sink since yesterday, so need to get them done. I swear every time we do a video together, there are dishes in my sink. And I promise y'all I do dishes, but normally I leave them, like whatever we have for dinner that night, I just leave all the dishes in the sink. And then I come back to it the next day. So I'm going to get these dishes cleaned up and then we'll get into something else. So I also washed and dried a load of clothes earlier today, so I'm going to go ahead and get these folded. Y'all, it feels so good to not have any dirty clothes right now except for the ones we had on earlier today. I'm sitting here in my nightgown while I'm recording this narration for y'all. But I'm going to go ahead and get these clothes folded. Hopefully this video is motivating y'all a little bit to clean up today and get all your homemaking done. And just know that you are doing an amazing job. So be proud of yourself. If you're a homemaker, that is such a, it's like an act of love. It is not always easy, but it is 24/7, so you got to appreciate yourself every now and then and be proud of yourself for all the work that you do for your family.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way.
Alright, we are back to the cooking part. My fries and my shrimp are done. So this is a sleeve of garlic bread, and I just used 1/2 of it, and then I cut that half into half, and then I'm using that half. Okay, so easiest way of saying this is just take the garlic bread and then cut it into 4 sandwiches. The big garlic bread will make 4 sandwiches. So I'm taking 1/4 of that bread for myself, and I put my shrimp on there, and I kind of press down the bread also so we can have like a little boat. And then I put banana peppers on there, and then that is all the toppings I had. I would have loved to put some lettuce and tomatoes on here, but I did not have those, but those are definitely really good. But I did put mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup on here, and this is what it looks like when it's done. Y'all, this is a super easy, fast meal. So if you like convenience like me, or you just really don't like cooking, this is a win-win. So now I'm going to go ahead and get all of these clothes put away. We got the other ones put away, but these have been piling up for a couple of days now. I always fold and put away the clothes that go in our bedroom, but then when it comes to my clothes that I put in my office closet, I am such a procrastinator. I will just throw them to the side and then wait until I get this huge pile to put away. So, laundry motivation for days for y'all.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say.
So I want to say thank you to those of you that have been watching the videos, but if you are new here and you like videos like this, I would love it if you would subscribe. I have a goal of hitting 10,000 subscribers very soon, so definitely help us reach that goal, and thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed already. Did y'all see me just walk away? It's because I thought I was already done. And then I saw the extra little pile of clothes in my camera's viewfinder, and I was like, okay, we gotta finish this. We gotta push through. I know my viewers would get it done, so we're gonna get it done. But don't ever feel like you have to get it all done, because, you know, perfection is just not a great thing to try to obtain because it does not exist. So we're just gonna get this done, and then we'll be done folding our clothes, and those bras are still needing to be donated.
And the radio keeps singing what the season's all about.
So I'm done decorating for the season, but I love to admire my tree, and these are some of my favorite ornaments that I wanted to show y'all, and most of them are from the Dollar Tree or my own personal DIYs. This one was from the Dollar Tree, and I just think it's so beautiful. That green one came in a kit from Big Lots, I believe. And then this one is the one I DIY'd with y'all in a Dollar Tree video. And I want to do some more of those very soon. Possibly like Monday, maybe. Yeah, Monday probably. And then this candle is the perfect Christmas, and it smells amazing by Bath & Body Works. And here is our strawberry parfait cake. It was absolutely delicious, and we did not make this. We got it at Walmart. So it is similar to a strawberry shortcake. It's so good. Definitely check out your Walmart, see if they have it. Not sponsored, just really good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Here are some more videos for you. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see y'all back here very soon for another video. Bye!
Keep singing what the season's